First, we need brown yarn and 3.5mm crochet hook. First, make a magic ring and chain 1. Make 6 single crochets inside the magic ring. Now pull the starting tail and close the ring. For round 2, make 2 single crochets in each stitch. Now we have a total of 12 stitches. In round 3, make 1 single crochet in first stitch and 2 single crochets in the next stitch. Repeat this all round to get a total of 18 stitches. In round 4, make 1 single crochet in each of the first 2 stitches and 2 single crochet in the next stitch. Repeat this all around so you have 24 stitches in the end. In round 5, make 1 single crochet in each of the 24 stitches. Now cut the working yarn, leaving a short tail here. We have our first circle ready. Now we'll make another circle with green yarn. Repeat the same process for the second circle. Now we have both circles ready. Next, we will be making the petals around both the circles. Hold both circles together and attach the yellow yarn. Now tie a knot so it doesn't slip out. Here, yarn over and pull out, then make 3 chains. Now make 2 treble crochet clusters in the same stitch. We will yarn over, pull through 2 and again yarn over, pull through 2, leaving the last 2 loops on the hook. Make another one in the same way. Yarn over and pull through all the loops on the hook. Make 2 chains and slip stitch in the base of chain 1. Make 3 chains and slip stitch in the next stitch of both the circles. Here we have our first petal ready. Now let's make the next petal. Chain 3. Wrap the yarn twice around the hook. Go into the next stitch of both circles. Yarn over, pull through 2 and yarn over, pull through 2, leaving 2 loops on the hook. Repeat this twice until you have 4 loops. Yarn over and pull through all 4 loops. Now make 2 chains and slip stitch in the base of chain 1. Make 3 chains and slip stitch into the next stitch of the circle. Here we have our 2 petals completed. Now make 10 more petals in the same way as the second petiole. Here we're pausing on the 9th petal to fill the center. Now put some cotton in the center to fluff it up. Let's continue making the petals. Now we are hiding the tails with a tapestry needle. Here we have our crochet sunflower ready.